everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Funny English Blog. So how are you all? I hope
또 물보라를 일으켜
so. Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel Funny English Blog. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I have a topic and I'm going to talk about this topic. Like I have a word and I explain that word, like a bank, hospital, school, and like a clinic. So this is very good thing and this is very good idea, because if you describe that thing, so I think you need you try, so that like that thing you try to speak more. Okay, so it's a very good thing, and I also learned from YouTube this thing. It's very beneficial, so today I will try it. So first thing is I take firstly school. School is also, we all are going school, and that in my childhood I go in my school. And yes, school is the place of it is a very big place where children go for taking study and find that aim. So it is very good thing. So it school, everyone need to go in childhood, and also you don't have any age for learning. So school is very good place, and everyone need to go there for learning. So sorry, something I have some hesitation. Okay, I know I don't explain properly, but I try. So second thing is bank. Okay, bank, you know that, you know as well. You every day you go there, not every day, yes, you go there for your some work, like taking money and saving money. So bank is a big place where we go for saving money. So and many people have in this bank, like who is manager, cashier, and many people, like in entry machine, ATM machine, many things have in this bank. So in this bank we can go and save money, and also taking money if you have your account have there. So this is a bank. And yes, hospital is a very big place, and there is where is a more patient for taking treatment. If I have, not you, okay, sorry, if I have any big disease, so I need to go there for taking treatment. And hospital is a big area. It is a big area where patient stay some days if they have big disease. Okay, and fourth one is clinic. Clinic is a not a big area, but yes, it is a small area and local area also, you're nearby. And clinic who have a means not disease, we can't say disease. Yes, if I have some normal pain, cough and headache, and means it's a very small disease, means not more. So we can go clinic for treatment, where have some doctor who is like MBBS doctor, who check uh, what are you what you have that means disease. He check out your means temperature, and he check out your breath, he check out your fever. So that is a clinic, but this is very small area and local area. Yeah, have your nearby also, so don't take. I hope you are all bored. So okay, I think I fourth thing is complete. What is the fifth thing? First thing is sorry, I'm talking Hindi, so I try, but I try to give my best for my English language. So third one is house. House. Everyone have house. Big house, small house, that house. But I have a flat. But it is not a big flat. It is a small, like a 2 BHK. So this is my house also. Flat is a house also, where we can stay here. Okay. So house is very it is not very big place, but house it's to need to live there, means where we live for my like यार आराम से क्या बोलते हैं, like my comfort. I live there for my comfort, where we feel comfort. So that is your home. And office like oh my god, I am right. What I am saying, that what did I say? I hope all are right. So okay, one more thing I want to share. Office is a big area, office or company also, where we go for working and earning money. So that is office. So I think, I hope I completed my that topic, this topic. So guys, if you will find any mistake, so please tell me and write in comment section box and correct me. Okay, so I hope I try to learn more thing, and I try to speak in fluent very quickly, fastly. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, like my channel, don't forget tap bell icon. Many time I forget it, how to speak that thing, so don't mind. Okay, so bye bye, टाटा, टेक केयर. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. डोंट से मिलते हैं. ओके, मीट टू नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So bye bye. I hope you are like my video.